before explaining, you have to know the patient because it's different patient. You have to know the patient, explain the patient, and provide points. Okay. So if like I told you, so the most crucial is how you go with it. So that's the point. Because everything is just a procedure, but the main thing is then after 12 days, you have to make it sure that whatever the last one, you have to do. The procedure is always like that. If like if you're going for bed bath, if it's bed bath, the most crucial is
Hindi naman nilagyan ng towel doon.
because it's always start with know the patient.
So, para pag sinanggal yun, may towel na nakuha.
Sometimes, if you're doing the test, you're going to have a mental block.
Ganun kasi yan.
If you're going to have a mental block test, start with know the patient. And each procedure, because it's privacy, should always have privacy.
So, nakaday na.
So you do, and sometimes it can be interchange, but you don't have ay, nagkamali ako. Diba? Malito, may nalimutan ako, no? At least, this is your main thing. Pero yan. So you do it.
Kasi na-dry na naman siya.
Then, you have to make sure you're lower.
Tulog na, oh.
Relax. Then, at the end,
Sarap ng tea.
keep the side yourself.
Ay, hindi ko.
Safe. Always safe. Okay?
Tapos, saan ko tayo lagyan?
Yes.
Dito lang?
You have your two basins here. So one basin will be containing the warm water, and one basin will be containing the cool water. Okay. Then you need also your towelette. Okay, and then your protective barrier here or anything that you can put on the chest. Then you have your shaving cream and then your razor.
Okay.
Okay.
And cold.
So here, this is easy station, but just critical for you to know that there is a warm water and cool water. Okay, so you put the, okay, so the usual, okay, introduce yourself, and then identify the patient, and then tell that what you're going to do. Then you put the protective barrier, okay, on the chest of the patient. And then you put the warm water, okay. Leave that for 5 minutes. So they will ask you why you put the warm water first. The answer will be
Para lumambot.
yes. So to soften the beard. Okay, soften silently. Okay. And then after 5 minutes, then you can put the shaving cream. Okay, so you put the shaving cream. Okay. Then they will ask you how do you shave. So you shave towards the hair growth. Okay, so don't shave against the hair growth.
Yes.
Okay, because if you shave against the hair growth, it will cause some small cuts. Okay, and it will cause infection. Okay, so you can start here. Okay, going down. Okay, because the hair is going down. Okay, then shave here. Okay, then here. Then ask the patient if you want to shave the mustache.
Mustache.
Okay, so if you want to shave, then you can shave the mustache. If he doesn't want, then you can leave it. Okay, then after that one, you can clean. Okay,
Hot water also, Doc.
any. You can also get this one to
White.
wipe. Okay, so just wipe. Okay, then after that one, you can put the cool water.
Okay.
Okay, then they will ask you why do you have to put the cool water.
To close the pores.
Yes, you want to close the pores and you want to relax the muscles as well. Okay, then after that one, you can put the aftershave if the patient wants to put the aftershave.
Yeah.
So that's it.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the point. So it's easy. This is easy.
She asking her what.
So as long as you have your warm and then your cool water.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay lang.
then let's go to your. Here, just watch the video. So in the video, you have to check the meal if it's the correct meal for the patient. So check if the the name of the patient,
Lagay ko to sa...
and then what kind of diet. Is it DASH diet? Okay, so if it's DASH diet, then remove the condiments.
Yeah.
Okay, and then check if there's some allergy. Okay, like for example, if allergy to dairy products, then you should not be seeing here butter
Yeah, butter. Or
and milk and yogurt.
Yogurt.
Okay, so the critical here is to where do you feed the patient? Okay, so where do you feed the patient if there's a left-sided weakness? On the right side, on the strong side.
On the strong
Okay?
side.
Yes, because that's the one that he can do. Okay? Then also you put the protective barrier here. Okay? And then you assist the patient so he can eat by himself. If he wants you to cut the meat, then you can cut the meat for him. Okay? So just assist the patient. Okay? So that's the critical for that. Okay? Then let's go to oral care. Okay? So for oral care, so these are the things that you will need. Okay? So you have your mouthwash. Okay? Then this is your
Yeah. West.
kidney basin or meses basin. Then your padded cotton swab or your tongue depressor. Then this is your totet. Okay?
Mm.
Then your water. Okay? And then you can put your lip gloss also or lip balm. Okay? So for this one, the position of the patient will be sitting or high power position. Okay? Then you ask somebody to put the kidney basin here. Okay? Then you put the water and then the mouthwash.
So it's not just one caregiver job. It should be
Yes, of course. Somebody should be putting something here. Okay? Then you can put your water and then your
Mouthwash.
mouthwash. So the dilution will be 1:1. Okay? 1:1. Okay? For example, if you put 30 ml of mouthwash, you put 30 ml of water.
Same one.
Yes. So you soak it here. Okay? Then open the mouth. Okay? And then you clean. Okay? Here on this side, then you clean on the other side, then you clean up, then down. Then lastly will be your mouth.
Full mouth.
Yes.
Like
Your lips.
Lips.
Okay? Then after that one, you can put your
Bum.
lip balm.
No, what's the other one? The white.
Same. Padded cotton. This is your total. Okay?
No, the
The other one is to open the mouth.
To open your mouth.
this one.
Yeah, that's
one. Yeah. You can use also tongue depressor, but this you can use tongue depressor with padding. Okay?
Okay.
So any questions?
If the patient is
Unconscious.
Unconscious.
Which means that he is not.
If he is able, you can.
Then let him brush his teeth.
Yeah, just assist.
Yes.
But if not unconscious but cannot walk or bedridden,
But you can use your hand.
you can.
Okay. Oh.
Yes.
So you hold your tip, then you then go up.
Yes.
Okay, so that your hair there will be less hair fall. Yes, because yes.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Every day I will brush my hair like that.
Okay, so from the tip going up. Okay. So that's it. So you just put something here on the back.
Okay.
Okay, then brush from the
Tip
tip
to up.
going up. Okay.
Okay, okay, like that.
And then let's go to your nail care. Okay, so for your nail care, so first you have to just soak the fingers.
Yes.
Okay, in the anything like you can use this
Should be cold or warm water?
warm water. Okay, so you can use this small basin or your kidney basin.
Yes.
Okay, look, soak it until it becomes soft.
Yeah.
Okay, then you cut your fingernail straight cut. Yes, so one straight cut here only.
Yeah, only
Then
one
one straight cut,
cut.
then another straight cut,
Yeah,
straight cut.
yeah, yeah.
Then for the side, you have to use your
File.
file. So you just file this.
Yeah, file.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then you have to. This is the orange stick. Orange, as in color orange. Orange stick. So you use this to clean the cuticle and then to remove the dirt under the fingernails.
Try mo nga sa akin, te.
Matulog ka.
Okay, so that's it. And then after that one, you can put some hand lotion. Okay?
Okay.
So that's it. That's for the grooming and feeding.
Okay.
Then let's go to your day color blue. Okay?
Mga ganyan. Pwede mo pa-testing sa dito. Hindi ko naman.
Okay? So when you're doing your full body vaseline test, it will be in pair. Okay? So one will be lying down and one will be the caregiver, and then after that one, you will change your roles. Okay? So upo ka na lang muna. Okay, so these are the tools that you will need. So importante dyan is that you should tell them that there are 3 towels. Okay? So one will be your privacy blanket, one you put under the part where you will clean, and then one is for pat drying. Okay? Then you also need your basins. Yes, one with soap and water, and one with water only. Okay, so this is for cleaning, and then this is for rinsing.
What's the temperature of the water?
Warm. As long as you check the water, you can check you're using your elbow or your inner wrist. Okay?
The
Yeah.
towel should be a bit bigger, sir. I know.
Yes, this is your big towel.
Yeah, because
Like you
you're
can
big.
cover yourself.
Extra large ka daw, te.
Okay.
That sheet.
Then so that one you have that one, and then the usual like your
Baby.
for your baby. So your temperature thermometer here, your cotton balls here, and then your soap. Okay. Then you can also use your rubber mats. Okay. Then this is your inflatable shower basin. So you put that for the head, like in the parlor.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so hindi ka. Nakakumot talaga sila na una. You put the blanket first. Okay. Okay, so standard procedure, okay? So introduce yourself, you check the patient,
Yeah.
okay, then tell them what you're going to do. Okay, so for this one, so if you're working here, then the bed rail should be down here, and you're working there, the bed rail should be up on the opposite side. Okay?
Okay.
Then you start from the, okay, check the temperature. Okay? Then same procedure, check, start from cleanest to dirtiest, up to down. Okay? So, okay, so you can clean the eyes first. Okay, water, then medial to lateral canthus, then water, medial to lateral canthus. Okay, then you can clean the face with water only. So you can
Katulad
use
sa
the
baby,
here.
diba?
Okay, if you cannot do it here, if you cannot, you have difficulty going here, then you can put your rubber mat here. Okay. Then you can put your basins here. Okay. So put rubber mat so that this will not be soaked. Okay. So same, you use your mitt,
Yeah.
So that's the water with soap or just water?
water only. So Z, same as with your baby. Then the other one Z. Then okay. Then you can put your rubber mat here on the head. Okay, then you can put your towel. Okay. Then you can put your inflatable shower basin.
Dapat actual. Dapat babasain din talaga yung buhok.
Okay. Then yung hair niya dapat ganyan. Tapos isang tissue. Nahingin ng tissue.
Basahin mo yung buhok mo. Parang ang sarap umiga dyan, te. Nakarelax sa leeg. Hindi ka makakatulog talaga
Okay.
ako dyan.
Then put this on the eye of the patient. Okay. Then dito yung yes, you will drain, you can put your pail here. Okay, so shower. After that
Kamu
one,
pang tubig, Dok. Alam mong dadala lang kami.
may ano dyan. You can use may ibang with water here, or you can use a dipper. Pail dipper. Yeah, then shampoo.
Abo.
Okay, then drain here.
Okay. Yes.
Okay? So drain here. It will go down. Okay? Then after that one, you can, so after draining, then you can dry.
Dry. Dry already? Yes.
Okay? Dry. Okay?
Ang tawag ng paintable shower.
Shampoo basin.
Shampoo
Okay.
basin.
Yes, then you can remove this one.
Kulat mo.
Okay?
Uuwi lang kay anak ko kasi sasalo na siya.
Then, don't forget to put your,
Cover body.
yes, your privacy blanket. Then you put this down. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah. Now and then.
Then you have to roll this.
So meaning she's naked, huh? But that's why we cover it.
Yes. Okay, then put this in the hamper.
Okay, that.
Ito yung hamper.
So, Dok, when she lay down in there, automatically she will be naked.
Yeah.
Then she's
Yes,
naked,
but
that's why
it's
we
a
cover.
assessment. You're not naked.
Yeah.
Okay. Then, so you start from the, ano muna. Okay. You expose the side that you will clean. Okay. So if you will clean only the upper extremity, then you only expose this part. Okay. So don't put the privacy blanket down. So only expose the part that you will clean. So same procedure here. So soap and water.
Doesn't matter, Doc, if it's the weak side or the good side.
It doesn't matter. Okay.
You don't.
Okay, because you will clean everything. Okay, so you can divide this into 4. 1, 2, 3, then 4.
Yes.
Okay, then after the clean, then you can clean the hands. Clean, then you can clean the axilla. Okay, then you use the,
Sila yung pagpili, di ba?
Clean water.
yes, rinse with water
Rinse
only.
water.
Okay, so same, you divide into 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, then 4. Then rinse, then clean the hands, then rinse, then clean the armpit. Okay?
That is if the patient is unconscious, yeah?
Bedridden.
Bedridden.
Yes, the patient cannot go up. Cannot go down. Okay? Then pat dry. Okay?
Bedridden.
So, after that one, you can go to the other side to clean. Okay? Then after that one, you clean the, okay, chest. Okay? The trunk. Okay? So for this one, you have to take care of the skin folds. Yes, so that will be your under the breast, and then for fat patients, anything that, yes, because the dirt is staying there.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so 1, 2, then 3, then 4. Okay, as long as you divide into 4, if you can extend, you can extend. Okay, so same.
Tapos yung suso,
Rinse with
iaangat.
Iangat
water.
niya. So, pag
Iaangat.
malaki, ganun.
Yes.
Yeah, ganito ba? Mga layer.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, then 4. Okay, then you have to pat dry.
So, paano yung yung nipples ng patient? Do you clean that? Kasi minsan may
You can do
mga-
also that one, of course.
Ganun,
Yeah.
ganun yun.
So ganun.
Ganun lang.
Yung ano ba, yung private part.
Oh, basta clean mo siya.
Delicate.
Okay? Then after that one, you can clean the legs. Okay.
Ano ba yung tinanggal o kasi may ibang breast cancer na nabulok yung sa
Hindi na siya tinagal kasi 94 na siya nung na-diagnose.
Wala na. Ngayaan na lang yun.
So expose the part that you're going to clean. Okay? Then also the same soap and water.
Soap and water.
Then divide it for 1, 2, 3, then 4. Then you can clean the feet, then clean the inguinal, pababa, going down. Okay? So same, so you do also rinsing. Okay? So divide into 4, 1, 2, 3, then 4. Then your feet and also your inguinal. Okay, then pat dry. Okay? Then you can go to the other side also. Okay? After that one, then you clean the back. Okay?
The back.
Nantong ka, no? Ganyan.
So kaya left-sided weakness, so you sandwich that one. Then you bend this one. Okay? So you ask the patient to log roll. So the shoulder and the hip.
Also,
Okay,
the
how
feet
about
will be like that, doc, or no?
One leg is
One leg is bent.
It seems.
No, nakaganto lang siya. Igalan mo.
Ganyan lang.
Tapos hold the shoulder and the hip. Yes. Yes. Okay? But if you do it like straight, it's okay. Ganon. Iiba ganyan. But it's difficult. Yeah. So for me, it's easier for you to do that. Yes, then bend.
Umiikot ka, ginaganyan.
Yes. Okay? Then, so clean the back. Okay? So same.
Tignan ko nga.
Soap and water.
Yung pet mo muna daw, wait.
Okay? So you can clean the back. Okay? Say 1, 2, 3, then 4. Okay? You can also clean the sides.
Hindi ba pwedeng dire-diretso na pababa, doc?
Because of the skin folds. So you want to clean the skin. You can do that, but if the skin folds will not be clean as much.
Yung mga back fats.
Yeah. Especially if your patient's fat. So you see a lot of skin
Alam mo
folds.
na.
No, sabi ko, di ba?
Okay? So
Six,
same 2, 3, 4. Okay, then pat dry. After that one, you can put some lotion here or your oil or lotion. Then you do the back rub. Back massage. Okay, so back massage, going up, then circular.
Okay.
Okay, going up, then circular. Then they will ask you why you have to do the back rub.
Te,
So to improve circulation, what else?
yung partner ko, gawin mo sa akin, ma'am, pag hindi sabihin ko, paid ka.
Circulation.
So improve circulation to
For blood.
Muscle.
Yes.
Blood.
relax the muscles and most importantly to
Circulate the blood.
prevent bed sore. You want to prevent bed sore.
Ah.
To prevent the
Yes. So during this time, you can also check if there's some bed sores already. Okay? Okay na?
To prevent.
Then for TESDA, no need to, that's the end. Okay? But in reality, you can do your perineal care after. Then you can do the bed making after.
Cotton ba?
Yes, you have your cottons here, wet cottons.
Wet.
Okay, for TESDA, you have your wet cottons here. It contains your water and then your feminine wash. Okay? Okay?
So you
Then
have
you
to
also
use
have your,
feminine wash for male as well.
no, the station will be female. So for male, it's very easy. So, but you will be assessed for females.
Pag mail ko mo kantay.
Tight talaga.
Kaya Ariel.
Okay? So you have your soap with your wet cotton here, then your dry cotton. So your dry cotton will be for your pad drying. Okay? Then you have your kidney basin. Mamaya na yan. Perineal lang kailangan mo dyan. Makinig ka dito.
Ano ba yan? Kuri-kuri ka
Okay?
dyan.
So you have your
Pangit ang tiyan
kidney
niya.
basin and then what do you call this?
Clip. Pursip. Parang
Yes, this is your thumb forceps. This will ask, they will ask you what is that. Okay, so this is your thumb forceps.
thumb.
Thumb
Yes.
Pursip.
Okay, yan. Thumb forceps. Okay, so you use this one to pick your
Cotton.
your cottons.
Yeah, like that.
Then your dipper here, and then you can use your also your towelettes.
Also
then-
need some tissue, doc.
Dipper. Then your bedpan.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so you sit on the broadside.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so this will be on the front.
Mhm.
Okay, so you sit on the broadside, your buttocks will be here, this will be on the front.
Yes.
Okay, it's not the other way around.
Okay.
Okay? Then you can use your rubber mat and you have your rubber mats here. And then also your protective barrier if you want. Okay?
Ikaw naman talaga, oo.
Okay? Of course, your privacy blanket. Okay? So for this one, so provide privacy for the patient. Very important. Okay, so you can use that one.
Huwag kang mamboso.
Make sure that you just touch that one. Okay, so in reality, you have to unfold that one. Okay, but in testa, buksan. Hanggang dito yan.
Ayun yung kabila.
Tsaka kailangan
Oo, talaga. Sabi talaga yan siya. Sa hospital nga, ganyan, ganito
Yes.
talaga.
But in TESDA, of course, you have to open that one. But just tell them that you already provided privacy for the patient. Okay? So, ano natin yan? Dito yan.
So, hindi na namin kailangan i-close dock pag sa test na.
Yes, because they have to see you. Okay?
Suot na lang sila.
Okay? Then, so, same procedure, introduce yourself, what you're going to do, check the patient, and all of those, provide privacy. Okay? So, for this one, so you have to wear at least your gloves. Okay? Then, for this one, you have to turn the patient same. Then this one, turn to the other side. Okay? Then you have to change the,
The hand should be like this, Doc.
yes,
So it is easy for
yeah, okay na yan. So hold this one and this. Okay? Then, change the rubber mat. Then, takuha ng isang rubber mat.
Doc, it requires 2 person talaga.
Yes, of course.
Kaya nga gidi mo ka dyan. Kaya
Paano
kasi.
kung mag-isa lang ng caregiver?
Di dalawa.
Pwede
Dalawa.
diskarte.
Diskartihan mo yan.
So, tell the patient to roll in.
Tali mo.
Okay, balik.
Roll your ass.
Then, go to the other side.
And then like that. And then
Okay.
roll
Then,
that.
unroll. Unroll mo muna yan. Tapos tapon mo muna to.
Oh, tapon niyo na.
Okay? Yan. Okay? Mamaya na yan. Okay? Then, pakuha ng bedpan. Okay? If the patient cannot lift his knee, his hip, okay, so you do this. But if the patient can lift his hip, then you can put this. Tell the patient lift his hip, then you can put this.
Okay.
But if you cannot,
Okay.
okay, while he's doing here, so you can put that
Then,
on the side of the patient. Yes, like that. Okay. Then he will roll.
Roll.
Then you have to increase the head of the bed.
yeah.
Ano ba
Yeah,
ito?
that one.
Fowler. Not on the head of the bed.
Nandito.
Dito
So
na
you
dito.
choose the crank. Open the crank. Bend your knee. You sit.
Sit down. Uba.
Clockwise.
ata yun.
Clockwise.
Oh, yan dyan.
Wala na. Sira na yung bed sa'yo.
High dog. High
More,
fowler.
Yes.
High fowler. Yeah, high fowler.
Fowler to high fowler. Okay.
Yeah, because he make pipi.
Sige pate. Walang pate.
Okay. So kaya it's already fowler to high fowler position. So the position of your bedpan will be like this. Okay. So this will be on the front. Okay. He will be sitting. Okay. Then put the privacy blanket. So this is your privacy blanket. Okay, so you can, so the patient should be in the autonomous position. Mga anak. Okay?
Oh, parang mga ganap.
Pag lalaki Doc, ganun din.
Lahat na, patient kasi. Ano
Yeah. Okay, so you can wrap it here. Okay? So let's assume you have your privacy blanket already here.
Okay.
Tigas ng ulo nito.
Okay?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So you will use your,
Basin.
yes. Okay, and then your
Buttons.
cotton. Okay? So for your wet cotton, it is already has the feminine one. Okay? So you have your, you do the 7 stroke here. Open, 1 stroke. Withdraw. Okay. Then 7. going outward. Okay? Then going outward. Okay?
Mga ilang cotton?
7.
Yeah.
7.
Okay? Then after that one, you can rinse with water. Okay? Then paano rinsing with water? Then after that one, you can pat dry. Okay? In Tesla, they want cotton. So you can do your cotton. Kasi,
7 din daw.
yes. So until
Ay,
you
baon yung
complete
cotton.
going outside. Okay? Then, in reality, you don't need to use your cotton. You may use your towel.
Yeah.
So you can divide this into 4 or 5. One side, then the other side, other side, other side. Then this one you can use. You can also use this for washing also. Or you can do the knit. Okay, so you use the 4 sides also. 1, 2, 3, then 4. Just divide that. Okay?
No need to wash already, sir. I know. No
Done.
need to reuse the towel.
Yeah, so 1 towel, then you can use like as many as 12 towels. Okay? So after that one, pag nasa crank, you have to return this one para walang ma-accidente. Okay? Then after that one, you can put this down. Mamaya na yung word na you. Okay? So put the head of the bed down.
Clockwise.
So you can remove this one. Para ganito. Okay? So be very careful, okay, with your bedpan. Okay? Yes. So you fold also there.
So, Doc, we cannot just put, let's say we use this one, no? We clean it. We cannot just throw it to the bed pan.
You can throw it to the bedpan, but you already have that one. So you can throw it to the bedpan or the kidney basin. Okay, so be very careful with this one. What you have to do here is that your right hand touch the bedpan. Right hand touch the bedpan down. Pababa. Yan. So to stabilize the bed. And then this one, you push the patient on the shoulder. Okay? Yes. Then you put tissue.
Tissue.
Dun. To cover. Yes. Then you can clean the bath. Okay? So, it's a bath pwedeng ito na, or tissue. Okay? So, sa gitna, one, the going up. Then you can use the other side for the buttock, then the other side for the buttock. Then you can go up.
Batok pala tawag.
Okay?
Still have we need water with that.
Yes. Okay, or if you want, you can use tissue. Okay, or your wet wipes.
Yeah, wait.
Okay? Then you roll. Then change with the new one. So you have to fold. Okay?
Pag mabigat ka, umanda ka sa akin.
Okay? So that's it. Then after care afterwards. Okay? Take attention of this one. Okay? So let's assume that the patient has left-sided weakness. Okay? Where's your weak side?
Left.
I thought in the heart. Okay, so your weak side is on the left. Strong side is in the right. So if you're sitting here, where is your left? If you will be sitting. So here, this will be your left and this will be your right. Okay? So, yes. So you transfer where your strong side is. Okay? So which means that where you're going, your strong side should be there. Okay? Because she will be transferring, she will be going from the bed to wheelchair, so the wheelchair should be positioned on the strong side. This here. So you position the wheelchair on the strong side, on the right. Because she will be going here. Okay?
To the strong side na to.
Yes. So where you're going, that should be your strong side. Okay? Then position the wheelchair 45-degree angle towards the bed. Don't forget to lock the yes, the wheelchair. Okay? Then this is your privacy blanket. Just leave it here. Then you need your seat belt. Okay? Then open your footrest. So already open.
Sarap.
Then you also need your slippers here. Okay?
Sleepers, Doc.
Yeah, the slippers. Naka-slipper lang naman. Later on. Then, for here, you have to elevate the make sure na the patient also near you. Elevate the bed.
Dinagan.
Pa-unlock.
Ano kasi?
Put it up. Then, unlock.
Yung ano po?
Yung lever. Put the lever up.
Ano yung sa
Lever.
baba?
No, using your feet. Okay? Nahulog siya.
Gusto ko nang tumagilid at matulog.
Diyan ka na.
Isang nagilidan lang tumagsak na ako.
Okay, then lock. Okay. So we're putting her up. Up to the level of the hip.
Umakyat ba ako?
Yes.
Hindi pala ramdam. Kala ko parang binuduwi yan eh. Paralyzed ka naman.
Madalas na medyo nakakamdam.
Hindi ka ako
Okay. So it's up to the level of the hip already.
Yes.
Okay. Then you elevate the head of the bed so that it will be easier for you to pivot.
Yan, nararamdaman ko. Parang
Okay. This will be for the head of the bed. If you want to lower this down, opposite.
Okay.
Okay.
Dapat yung
Okay. So you should know how to use
Eh
this.
pagka inaangat Doc yung bed, saan dyan?
Dito. Kung nasa yung block.
Yung whole block.
Yes.
Doc, this time you can do 90 degrees.
Yes. Better. High power.
Sarap.
Hindi ka mahirap.
Yes.
Paano Doc pag walang ganito yung bahay ng pasyente?
Pasensya ka.
Adi,
Gawa mo na
Wow.
use your voice. You can use your voice. So that one, okay. So what I usually do here is that I usually put the garbage bag here so that it will be easier for you to pivot. Okay. Yes. Pivot. Ikot. Okay, it will be easier for you to pivot.
Because it's slippery.
Yes, exactly. Okay. So for this one, this is the left side. So sandwich the weak side.
Okay.
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 Okay. So hold the
So the strong over the weak.
Yes.
yes. Okay. Like in your relationship.
Hindi
So
ka
hold
pa pwede
the
dun, Tibet.
okay. So hold the shoulder and then one hold the knee or the leg. Okay. Then so alignment, align, right?
Yeah.
Then balance. Okay. Your feet should be wide apart.
Okay.
Okay. Bend your knee. Okay. 1 foot forward. Okay. Coordinate with the patient. So tell the patient at the count of 3 we're going to move. So tumulong ka. Okay. So 1.
Pagtang pamigat.
Mabigat.
Yeah.
Doc,
So it's
paano
easy, right?
magpatigas yung ulo ng pasyente na pag sinabi mong tumulong ka?
Dalawa na kayong caregiver.
Dalawa na
Dalawa
kayo.
na caregiver.
Okay. So that
Meron pa rin
one.
yung kami ng pasyente.
Yes. So that's easy because you're using the
Yeah. It's easy.
yes. Okay. Then after that one, you have to lower down the
Okay.
Mahaba.
okay. You have to lower down the
Walang
bed.
iyakap sa'yo.
So that
yakapin
the
sa sarili.
foot will be touching the
That one.
ground. Okay.
Wait ka lang naman, nai-enjoy ko eh. Alibas, hindi mo na-enjoy yung higaan ko.
Niyayakap mo yung sarili mo. Niyayakap
Ganun talaga walang iyakap sa iyo. Malamig na naman yung Pasko ko. Tangin na
Papalamig ka.
Wala nang talagya. Ayun na, walang talagya.
Nagpapalamig ka.
Okay. So for her, that's the lowest position.
Yeah,
So her foot is still not touching the ground. So you can lower down the patient. So you can put the gate belt. Okay. So gate belt in between the rib and the hip. Okay. Put. Yeah. Okay. You put it here. Then adjust until the foot touches the ground. Okay. So
Ganito pa rin yung kamay ng patient.
yes, you can put it like that. Okay. So you can adjust this one. You can put the slipper. Okay, you need to put the slipper for the patient. So she already has the slipper. Okay. Okay na yan.
Kasi patient sa kanila.
So after that one,
15 lang naman.
you can pivot the patient. Okay, you can use two types. One is you sandwich the weak knee. Okay, sandwich the weak knee. Hold this here. Coordinate with the patient at a count of 3. 1, 2, 3, up. Okay, then we'll transfer here. Dapat malapit sa wheelchair. Then when you're near the wheelchair, make sure that you touch the armrest of the wheelchair. Touch that. Hawakan mo na yung armrest.
Bakit mo na ikaw na? Ano ba?
Yes, parang tumulong.
Ako naman kung nagtawa.
Okay. Then one is balik ka dito.
Sana ikaw yung nasaktan, hindi ako.
You can use the toe to toe.
Nag-i-enjoy nga.
Okay. One, yes, toe to toe, knee to knee. 1, 2, 3, up. Okay.
Like that.
Yeah. Then down. Okay. Kung medyo nakaslouch, if the patient is slouching like that, then you can adjust the patient. Yes, go up. Okay. Then you can.
Tamad na tamad yung patient, Dok.
Okay.
Sa'yo na yun lahat. Ikaw na. O yan ito mo mga patient.
Okay. Then,
Una.
nilagay lang sa likod. Para seat belt. Don't forget the seat belt. Then adjust the seat belt. Then you can put the footrest. Yeah. Okay. Then don't forget the privacy blanket.
Tumutan mo ako.
Okay.
Ganyan lang, Dok, di nabubulat natin.
Ganyan lang. Then unlock. Then we're going to the mall. Sliding door, you can go front. Okay, pero if it's not the sliding door, it's a manual door, so then you have to turn back.
Yes.
Okay, open. Then check the traffic outside. Okay, then you can go.
Go free.
Okay.
Tapon yan.
Okay. Here, the strong side is here. Okay, clear?
Yeah, the right side.
Yes. So where you're going, you put the strong side there.
Yeah.
Okay? There. Okay, so you lock this one.
Lock. Don't forget to lock.
Okay. So remove. Then you have to. Okay.
Tapos na yung pamamasyal ni Ira.
Okay, so you.
Tamad ditong patient, tapos sarap ko taongan.
Okay. Okay. You have to remove this one. Okay. So she will be going there. Okay. So say
Balik ko na yung kamay ko.
yes. Arvin,
Hindi, ito yun. Karoon weakest point ko.
Okay. So lapit ka dito. Lapit. Okay. 1, 2, 3, up. Then we're going here. Okay? Then you position yourself to make your patient comfortable again. Okay?
Pagkasabi ko. Hindi mo na ito turn to.
Mamaya. Because you have to pivot. So it has to be at the level of the hip.
Ayaw ka lang Bible, favorite.
Lalapin. Pag makakit, hindi mo mararamdaman. Alam mo na, ha? Ikaw na lang gantuin ko mamaya. Ganun ka na lang ka-partner mo. I'll make sure I'll take care of you. I'm not gonna hurt you how he hurt me too.
May hugot. Okay?
Pasyente eh.
So you pivot the patient going back. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Then you can put this. You can lower down.
Doktor, hindi ko ba kumento?
Pwede na. Then lower the head of the bed. Okay? And that's it.
You leave the
Then
bag
after.
underneath. You leave the bag underneath.
You can remove that one after. So you can just lab roll and then remove it. Okay? Then put the patient in comfortable position.
So, we use that only if
Okay na yun.
we need to transfer in the wheelchair.
Comfortable.
Yes, yes. It's a technique.
Yeah,
Practical technique.
yes.
Yeah. Okay, in test that they may not include that one.
Ah.
Yeah, the garbage bag.
It will not be included in Tesla.
They may not include that in the garbage
That's
bag.
also-
But
that's
it's
only
for your
what you can
practical,
do it.
yes. But
Okay,
in
so-
practical life, yes.
Yeah, only,
Better to
only
do
for
that.
the
Yeah.
technique.
Yeah.
Share.
But in Tesla doc, we can do it or...
No.
If there is a garbage bag, then good, do it. But if there's no garbage bag,
So
then
they're
you
gonna
have to-
provide everything that we need.
Yeah. Okay. So that's it. So maybe also in TESDA, they will not use this one, they will use the normal bed.
What if it's not?
So if it's normal bed, then you have to pivot the difficult one.
Yeah, you have to, yeah, it is.
Okay, so where you put the patient? Position first the wheelchair. Tanggalin mo muna ito. Kung nakita ka na kaya alam mo na ganyan eh. Ewan ko na. So you put your,
Let yung ano,
Sa
strong.
strong side.
yung may sakit mo.
Saan ka mapupunta?
Yan, dito. Ganyan.
Sa right side.
Tama ba ako o pag ganito, Dok?
harap mo dito.
Harap po doon.
Yan. Ganyan.
Medyo harap mo. Yan.
Tutok mo. Kala ko ba magaling ka
Mag-driver ka.
Kaya nga.
Oo,
Ricardo, lang.
Wala pa.
gusto niya.
Okay, so ganyan. Okay, so
Ricardo.
lock the wheelchair. Okay. Okay. Then unlock the seat belt. Dito ka sa harapan.
Unlock ka lang din. Unlock, hindi ka magsukusito.
Okay.
Kinakabahan ka ba, te? Huwag ka mag-alala pag nilaglag kita. Magsak ako. Maskit na maskit. Paano hindi makawala?
Okay.
Tuwis
Wait,
na.
Dok. Wait lang, Dok. Mali yung ano eh.
Yeah.
Parang relationship. Mali.
Secure mo na.
Okay.
Hindi na makakahinga.
Hindi man.
Mali kong pamingin.
Sadista to si Ira pag nag...
Okay. So that's readiness. Okay.
Tapos, Dok, ilalak. Nakalak na, no? Hindi ko natatapos.
Ano yung pa?
Yung cross.
Yung pa.
Sa footrest muna. Footrest.
Putres.
Footrest muna. Footrest.
Then down.
Yung patuloy.
Aba muna.
Yan.
Ano, Patay isi ka, gadyakan ka sa ano mo.
Okay na.
Weak side.
So, bend your knee.
Bend your knee. Bend
Saan
your
ka
knee.
weak side niya?
Toe to toe.
To, and knee to knee.
Then
Wala
move
ka.
a little bit. Yeah, like that. Very good.
You have to
Bend your knee.
coordinate.
Bend your knee.
1, 2, 3. Okay?
Bigat mo, te.
Pag nandito ka na, so you can remove your pants. Or gusto mo, pag nakaupo ka na, so kakahulog ang pants. Then you can
Hindi nagkapai siya niyan.
Yes. Then you
Kapai
can
siya?
remove your
Ah,
pants.
okay.
Okay? Can provide privacy.
Privacy.
Towel.
Dapat ano, sample din, ibababa din talaga yung pants.
Na ngayon.
Tayo ka na, no? Ako na mag-volunteer kasi tayo lang.
Oh, hindi masyadong tulog siya. Natulog ba siya? Okay? So, pwede mo siyang iwanan. Tapos, ano na lang, tawag ko kayo. Okay, then transfer.
Transfer ko to, Doc. Saan?
So, saan nga siya, magta-transfer siya sa Kumo to wheelchair. So, saan siya dapat nakapwesto?
Downside.
Tapos nagpunas na.
Okay na yan, Doc.
Parang guide.
Harap, iharap mo sa kanya. Yan.
Dahan.
Then, don't forget to lock.
Lock.
Okay? Ayusin mo rin yung seatbelt. Para hindi niya maupuan. Okay?
Paano hindi ako hugasang pen yan?
Pwede siya maghugas sa sarili niya. Or kung hindi niya kaya, then bukasan mo.
Yeah!
Pero yung nakasama yung transfer ng tao. Tapos, ayusin mo siya. Because we're just going to transfer. Okay? So, she already cleaned herself. Okay?
Ready.
So, pag nasa ano siya, dapat natanggalin mo na din pala yung gate belt. You have to
Okay,
remove it
naka-
if she's in the toilet.
Yeah. Tapos ibalik mo na naman.
Yes.
Tapos yun na.
One. Wait
Knee
lang.
to knee.
Me too.
Huwag kang gagalaw.
1.
One. Hindi mo pa.
Or you can sandwich.
Sandwich mo yung weak side.
Sandwich.
Mas madali yung
Yes.
Gusto ko yung sandwich.
Mas malaki. Oo.
One.
Mahirap yun.
Paano mas malaki sa akin?
Mas malaki yung toe to toe.
Yes.
Walang kukulat tayo.
Then, position back to patient. Iitas mo.
Itaas ko, Doc, yung...
Yeah.
Kasi pag nakaslouch siya.
Okay. Then, remove the gate belt. Oh,
Wala na, may tae na yan.
lagay mo sa likod.
Ka naman.
Yan, pass mo sa lahat. Lahat na ito.
Ang harsh na. Mga caregiver ko bagsak to.
Then, seat belt.
Ang harsh.
Hindi ako kukuha ng gandang pasyente.
Then, privacy blanket.
May kasi lang pati
Oh, privacy blanket yung going down. Then, yung pag-press mo. Then,
Unlock.
going to the mall.
Ala.
Ito yung favorite part ko eh.
Okay? Okay na. So, you're going